Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Paychex Flex app. So let's get started. So to download and install the Paychex Flex app, you have to follow this easy step. So at here you can just go to the Google uh, Play Store, and if you are an Android user, then you have to must go to the Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. Just go here and you have to search on the top left section for the app. As you can see, Paychex app. Okay, so Paycheck here. So as you can see here, we have uh, Paycheck app. It's not showing here, so I can just go to the Google search bar and search for the app. Okay, Paychex app. Okay, so from here you can see the app. You can just install and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.